I've got a pancake recipe for you guys today for all blood types, every single one. We are starting it with oat flour, some quinoa flour, and almond flour. There's so many ways that you can swap in the flours that suit you, that suit your blood type a little bit better, but this is a combo that works for absolutely everybody. I just add some cinnamon for flavor, some baking powder, salt, some eggs for moisture, and if you're vegan, you can do a flax egg. I toss in a little real vanilla paste and some applesauce, but you can definitely swap that out with mashed banana or some kind of yogurt that works well for you, and just mix that into those dry ingredients. Add a little bit of the milk of your choice. I did hemp because it's good for all types, and then toss that together. I added chocolate chips because who doesn't love chocolate chip pancakes? And give it a nice little stir and let that baking powder fluff up. I coated the pan with ghee and then put those pancakes right on a hot skillet. Give it a little flip and your pancakes are ready for all blood types. Look at that steam. And a little drizzle of maple syrup. You can use butter or ghee, whatever works best for you. And serve it to everyone. Cheers, guys. Enjoy.